We just received some fantastic feedback with a glowing 5-star review. And now comes the fun part, sharing it with you. We're happy to say this is just one of many. Our staff was really excited to hear about the great job we've done. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in the highest quality. It's our guarantee. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.